Alright, I'm sorry to start this video like this, but I just decided to record this the last moment. So, I'm polishing my hood. Here's a before. See how ashy that is? And then here's a after, pretty much. Or in the process of doing it. Yeah, you can see how terrible that looks. So when I'm done, I'm going to show you my final results. But I'm going to polish this for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to hit this about 3 times, if anything. Alright, so I'll be back. Okay, so this was with compound. Alright, looks a lot nicer. You can see the weaves in there. Alright, now we're going to use this Meguiar's polish, one of my favorites. So Meguiar's compound, Meguiar's polish, and let's see what happens. Okay, now we're using the polish. Still polishing. Still have to get over there. But yep, coming along nicely. When we finish, I'm going to use my final part, which is this. And you know, this is the best product on the market because it have a GTR right there. Nismo for the win. But yeah, after I finish that, that's it. Game over. Stay tuned. Alright, there you go. We compound it one more time. And yeah, that came out nice. See that? Wavy. Wavy. Carbon fiber. For now it's good. I can't complain. Alright, until next time, peace.